15 minutes past the hour of 2 o'clock. And yes, I be done the promise on our scenes. But now Wazobia FM, but this, and we got speak pigeon with our finalists in the building. My name not Chacha Smith, and of course I did here with superstar DJ Indo. And then we hit the ground running. Lagos, we did live, and you did listen to us from different parts of the world where you dare. You go, so feel free to send in your questions, because we don't they ask you to do the needful things, and you don't they do on the com, but of course they did live in the building. And you go follow us up on Facebook, wazobiafm.com. We there on YouTube also, and we there everywhere on our Instagram platform also. You go see us live for there. And I got Angel right here with me. Angel, baby girl, welcome.
Thank you so much.
And then we're going to need to speak that pigeon very well also.
Okay,
yes.
I'll go try my best to speak.
The general, I need to salute.
Salute, ma, salute. All the way. Let's go.
Welcome. And of course, Mazi, to you too. Oh, shit. The vibe there on 100 here. And of course, cross the bus. Welcome on top Wazona. Mr. Africa.
Hello.
How far?
What's it the apple?
So fresh, so clean. The boy is too fresh. And of course, Liko, welcome inside the building, baby girl.
Thank you, my people. Have fun.
The last girl standing.
Yes, so you know how the thing go.
Yes, so make I start from you. I know so now don't they used to so many questions. People don't they ask a lot of things. If I be you by now, suppose don't they? But then we move. Now the needful go do. Abi?
Now the cocoa be that.
Yes, so make I tell you one thing straight up. When I've been seeing you inside the house, fine, I know one or two people will recognize, now Liko be that. I say yes. And then waiting I carry for my mind be say, okay, we'll go learn new dance steps. Make yes, I ask you also, you believe, say, when you enter inside our house, waiting you carry for mind enter, you push them out and the word see them.
Dancer, and I don't do some short films in the past, and I don't record songs I never put out to my crew, GGB dance crew. So
okay,
they don't really know all those things. Now they say I did dance. So me, I won't go there for that big platform. Might showcase so many things what I sabi do in a healthy way, and so I happy that I did do I did get accolades, you know, I did win some tags. So yes, so I show them all. If you remember, I never showed them. No, was I did outside showing, so they camp and I go to show them.
And Mazi, to you, Whitemoney, I see the opportunity also sending your messages. Mazi, I go win a show, and I want to ask you, but before the show, you the follow up. You know the show, you done the watch, the see waiting people, and of course you been get for mind to go there. Tell me, when you enter inside the house, I want to make you recount your first impression.
Now, oh my God! Now the house be this. The buildings were so high, and I saw the high tall. I said, yeah, and I shot. And the people where they said tall, the building called tall again. That was intimidating, for real. But I thank God I was able to, blend it with my own way. You get yes. So.
And how you they feel now?
My people, I don't lose my voice. It's still overwhelming. Sometimes I dey forget I win something. I see they walk up for road on there, they drag me. Come back, you don't blow. Come back. I see their house. I never get used to them. Yeah.
You see when I walk out for street?
Yes.
You go buy mama put and all those things.
I dey forget.
So you forget say you don't blow.
I dey forget say I don't blow.
This guy will consider comedy very
yes.
soon. Cross the bus. Yes, and of course I go start with you and your vibe. Never a dull moment, more like the party starter. And then you also be a guy where be say when something not happen, where be like say you want to hurt you they show yourself. Like either if you want cry, you go cry. If you want, yes, because we been see you one or two when I know expect you to show the emotions, but you show them. You understand? So now make I talk about something. Okay. Now the energy where you get as a person, now really how you day. That energy where you show us inside the house. Now how you day outside, and now your strategy be that.
I think honestly.
PG.
Okay.
If they come, you go arrive.
One time even Big Brother he would tell me say cross and make I even think I'm down a bit.
Yes.
True, anybody know me, my energy for Big Brother house safe no even match, because naturally I get so much energy, and outside is even worse. So as soon as I don't see him, there's even a 2.0 version of that, because people go think say na strategy, but no, Every morning I wake up, I'm literally happy because they no go wake up.
Yes.
So for me to wake up that morning,
Okay.
I don't already thank God. So whatever the day has, me will go. Whatever me will go highest, we go hit block. Highest we go kill the block. Last we go be okay.
When
so
you,
that my strength dey
when
there.
you enter inside Big Brother house, when you see everybody, all the people where you go play this game with, who be your biggest person where you they look say, now this person go fit block me to win this money?
First of all, when we started, I thought it was Boma.
Okay.
Because we thought Boma was definitely going to get the finals. Then Maria, I thought as well this one could block me. And eventually, I can't recognize Lico Rose and Emmanuel.
Okay.
Now when I know, say, okay, these criminals, they find their ways, block me. Then last, now this young
No, worry, no worry.
about my rights, Whitemoney too. So I progress. So no be just one person.
Okay.
As they go stage by stage. You know that in 72 days you go get stages.
Yes.
So now through my stage work out be that.
All right. And Angel, I'm gonna need to come from me. I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Yes, never a dull moment with Angel.
Period.
Yes, Angel. I've been say, okay, they watch the process. They watch from when it was some slight thing will happen before KV come up from the house. I also want to understand, you been get any strategy before you enter the house? Because if you say you know get, I think you get, and we'll go explain them later. So tell me.
I get strategy.
Yes, because I believe in my head say, Angel, see, I'm like, say, okay, all of us come here separately. Nobody carry any boyfriend or girlfriend come. So let's play this game.
No, I don't get any strategy as I enter house. If when I look my previous, my interviews, you will see say I talk say I dey enter the house to be myself. I don't get game plan. Now when I enter the house, they do my own thing. I can't realize say they work for me. Now like 7th week.
At what point you realize say this thing they work?
Okay, so I they cruise they go for the house. So I think one time like this now week I day up for possible eviction. I can't tell cross say if I survive that one, I will start to catch my cruise. And I think now like 7th or 8th week I took that thing. Then after I come back from possible effect,
you
eviction,
unleash.
I can't start to play my game. But for more than half of the show, I don't play any game and I don't get any strategy. And I even talk say for outside I did worse pass.
You did worse, pa?
Yeah, I did play to die.
Okay, so we'll go talk more about that one. But I love her anyway. She's so pretty. And Lagos, when they come back, we'll get more gist. Like I've been talking, I don't hear so many things. But then we'll go talk moving forward once we come back. And I go come back to Pere and Emmanuel. Lagos will still there live on YouTube and on Facebook. Follow us, sending, and also live on Instagram, sending your questions. And to the listeners, you go get your time to say hello to the superstars. No touch your dial. We'll still there here. Chukma Station. Lagos, welcome back. We're still there here for you on top of your Chokmouth station, Wazobia FM. I still get the BBN finalists in the building. And we get with us Angel, the General Parade in the building, Mazi Whitemoney himself. Across the boss in the building, Mr. Africa Emmanuel.
Hello, Emirates.
And of course, our very own Liquorous.
Yeah, guys. What one?
Why I say?
I think that Big Brother be the bestest person we know how to call the name.
Liquorous.
Yes.
Report.
All right, so everybody, welcome back. Continue to the Watchers Live, sending your questions to the General. I come to you now. And yes, thank you. Digital, they complain, please. Now. Thank you. All right, so I come to you, Perry. I meanwhile, I love how Maria they call you too. You don't teach them how to call your name correctly.
No. Right. I accept however she calls
Perry,
me.
stop it. Perry, listen to me. Perry, and that's so sexy.
I know.
All right, so we could talk about your personality.
Yes.
Now, as the show be the progress, people come, we be know you, and then later on, or we been think say we know you, and then later on when you receive the emblem of power, and then we'll see a different person. Now, between these two different personalities, I really want to make you define yourself on a good day when we meet Pere somewhere. On a good, how you be, how your personality be.
Okay, so first of all, I go say one thing. The thing when I see from beginning to end, me.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, so every coin get two sides.
All right.
Yeah. But on a normal chill day, I be very easygoing guy. I don't like wahala. I don't like trouble.
You don't like wahala?
I did very reserved.
You don't like wahala, but now you stir up some of the wahala in the house.
Now what do you see?
Yes, I see them clearly. Now make I talk about the strategy where you talk say Whitemoney Bbn gets. You been get any strategy when you also enter the house?
I mean, I get strategy, but you know, so the thing be say, waiting I perceive.
Yes.
Say being strategy, not be really. We no go now, knowing fully well after the conversation. We no go can't define them as strategy. We define them as in strength. Now in strength, when they capitalize on, take moving self, and which then I waiting everybody's supposed to do. Now wisdom be that, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, my own strengths they different. Everybody's strength they different. Your own strength na kitchen and some other things, So you use that one, take move, advance yourself, which is good. Now within that game be that. So everybody's supposed to come there with plan on how to, advance.
When you enter the house, the first day or the first to the second day when you did the house, Mama could leave Maria aside now.
Yeah.
Amongst other ladies where they inside the house, you been feel anything for anybody aside Maria?
Me, I don't even feel anything like the feeling of anything now.
Yes.
Maybe we define it now.
Yes.
Not because I feel anything for Maria, but Maria just did very, very likable. Yeah, they can't get when they say you just she did like she got good personality. Now one of those things when attract me to her, and I tell them say, I like your personality and all those kind of things. Not be say now to date all those kind, but other girls been did the house when also
like who
peace,
and who?
Peace
Yes.
been there, Sasuke,
But approach them, tell them anything, but they been there.
No, not because I know approach them because I didn't need to approach them.
Okay.
Need to approach them to
Okay.
tell them any other extra thing apart from the fact say I think say you they cool, you they cool, you they nice, and I tell peace now.
And I've been thinking most of nowadays inside her not truly notice peace because me I dey outside they notice her.
Peace na correct babe.
And no, I not see am until she come up from that house.
We've been everybody been saying. Me, I've been saying. I don't know about any other person. I just say this bongo head for them.
And they come to Ram very soon. And now you okay? Make I not ask that question. I go come back to Ram later. Okay, guys. To Mazi himself, Whitemoney. Now, I could talk about your. Meanwhile, you they plan to open a restaurant anytime soon?
Not at all.
Okay, not at all. No, when you now win, finally, when they give you the money, you notice some trending videos. They go around. People they prepare food for kitchen. Say that they prepare for Big Brother show for next year.
I never watched.
You never noticed.
I never even hold phone things.
All right.
Yeah.
So coming out of that house now, what will be the first thing we been shock you when you come out? Because you've been there away for 72 days, huh?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me, what will be the first thing we surprise you or something will shock you when you come out of the house?
The first thing will shock me now the law of what I see from the street, and this was like the first time I see the real Wazobia like came together to put just one person Like I got love. I get love from north, west, east, south. As in, I know fears. I didn't expect it. I didn't see it coming. That's why I know if even shout when they announce them. My belly was. I was.
Yes,
happy.
you just this. You be there pick something for your leg. What's in the worry you for leg?
I don't even know what they worry me. I was just not. I don't expect them at all.
All right. Now, make we talk JMK.
Yeah.
Jacoby.
Yeah.
Queen.
Yeah.
Queen been sit down here talk say my man go win him.
Okay.
So in the midst of these three people now,
yes.
I want make you really define what him been go on. It not be now, because now when you don't come outside, you get different kind of aura and feelings where they outside.
Yes.
I want make you talk about inside the house. You been mention something, say you been the feel Jackie, but you know approach Jackie, you know tell Jackie anything until she come up from the house. But I understand the kind of friction where happen between Jackie and Queen. But really define this for me. And in the scale of trying to pick out things and all that, where be Queen's position? Because I feel like say Queen they go left, you they go right.
Oh, the thing be say not just understanding.
Okay.
You understand? We all want different things. You understand? We all want different things out of where we come there. For me, when I come there, before I come that house, I done this single since 2015. I know
Since 2015, they single.
Yes, I've been single. Now, I never been involved with any. I never get any relationship or anything with this serious or anything. So I don't really.
And you be not get anybody where you they hug or something.
Otamime na normal level.
Okay.
You get na
Nah,
normal
I just
level.
want to know.
Otamime na normal level. But based on say you get somebody who be say, yeah, this girlfriend I don't have. So I never really they used to women like that. They close. I even tell big brother say one of the things why I don't learn from this place now. I just don't they know how to talk to women. But you see with Queen a vibe.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
GMK na vibe. You understand?
No. Too.
Yeah, we all connect on different levels. Now,
All right.
amazing person.
All right. So now where you don't come out, Whitemoney, you they single.
I'm still day single. Like now, the singleness even was because everybody else they come with different. You know, I've been there.
But
for
you know things say it go there hard now to find.
Actually, no, they had love the market. I go buy them.
You go buy them.
Yes.
Wow.
Like 2.2. Yes.
All right. Cross the bars.
Yes, gorgeous.
Okay. So I love. Make I tell you, I'm a shipper for life.
Yeah.
I been love you and Angel's vibe.
Yeah.
Yes, because on that togetherness, it can't be like something that spark up. I watch Angel with so many other guys and all that. I watch Angel with Sammy. I watch Angel with, I don't know, with yourself. Usually be talk one or two things when you come here. I watch you with KV. I watch you with, I don't know, some other people. But you with Angel, the vibe in there, it light up the whole place. Yeah, we get sensitive. We get sensitive mics. We get sensitive mic. Thank you. Yes. So Cross.
Yes.
I want to know. Tell me truly, from your heart. Not now when I don't come out.
Yes.
Angel day here. Wait till me define that situation.
I know say she they see me as I see am.
Such a pretty girl.
But
Yes.
honestly, yeah, inside the house, I knew Angel had a very, very good energy. And I knew she had a good heart.
Okay.
And me, I'm attracted to that. Fine, you can be pretty, you can be sexy, but first thing that gets me attracted to you is your energy and your heart. And once I saw that, I think we just started vibing. Then it turns out that a lot of people misunderstood her, but I eventually got to understand her. It took me a minute, but I did. So when I saw she wrote to her,
Yes.
and I, this girl truly is going through a lot, and I had to, my own way look after her, no matter what, situation we find ourselves in the house. So during that process, I kept on getting closer and closer to her.
But I want to ask you, even as I'm so sorry,
Yeah.
but then I need to bridge in here.
Yeah.
When you been see Angel as somebody we just come to jam heads together,
Yes.
a girl when no go there faithful to you.
Yes,
You see her like that?
yes, absolutely. Yes, that because I knew she was catching her crew. But the thing about Angel is that she's like me, yeah. But I don't know if she has the tendency to love or the tendency to
Stay in love.
stay in love. Thank you. Because it be like that kind of person we go marry now. After 2 days, they say me I don't come out to, I don't pack. See you later. Or she no go even tell you say she don't pack, she don't move her things, and you go come out, you no go see anybody. You go come they ask where your wife there. You understand? Like that kind of cruise, I believe
my
say she
God.
feel catch.
All right, Angel.
So yeah.
Angel,
How far now? I did.
wetin be the problem between you and love?
I don't really get any problem. It just be say I dey fear.
You
to
dey
love
fear?
person because I don't want to get hurt.
All right.
Because I no go lie to you. For my life,
Yes.
plenty things don't hurt me. I no go lie.
Okay.
So I dey try always to protect myself because I don't think say I get any more tolerance for pain.
So you build the fence around
So I
yourself.
can't dey build walls.
Okay.
And it no be say, and I don't understand how that dey affect my relationship because
Okay.
when I like person and I realize that the person like me or the connection dey, maybe
Yes.
we never like ourselves like that yet.
Yes.
I go just move away because I don't want situation where I go come dey, messed up. Like I said, for house, I don't lose my boyfriend before. Like I
Yes.
get boyfriend and he died. So now my first boyfriend be that.
Okay.
So it's like I don't dey move away from love so many times, and then I can't give am try. That kind. When I notice say the connection can't start to dey form,
Yes.
I just dey move away.
You
because
dey run.
Yeah. I
So
know
now
I'm
why
gonna-
you be dey change weather for house?
Yeah. Now why I just dey, So I no go get too attached, and I think I don't talk that thing to parents.
But how long you think say this thing go last? When you go get change of mind?
No be say my mind, no be say anything to my mind. It
Yes.
just be say I no just won't get hurt. But if I put my mind to I know say I feel drum,
Yes.
but I no won't get hurt, so I just dey back out.
All right,
So I
tell
no
me
get
something
attached.
about this mental health, because I understand the kind of energy where you get towards you want to
Yeah.
do something to create more awareness. I also see your conversation when Tega been posted out something about
Yeah.
her and her page. Where would they go with this?
Like I said, I want to start a mental health blog. I want to start mental health blog for people where they struggle because
Yes.
I don't struggle with mental health. And stigma they attached to them. People think say, oh, once you talk say you get anxiety, or once you talk say you dey depressed, it means say you don't craze. People go they use insult you, talk say you na mad person you be. So I want to start mental health blog, and I want give people a comfortable space to talk because I don't talk am for house. So I feel say when I start them, people go they go feel comfortable to relate
Yes.
with me.
Yeah.
And because say I want to start mental health blog, and the conversation we know today have am for this country, everybody
Yes.
dey shy, even those where they suffer no one talk am. So now it make me also want to start mental health charity.
All right, you don't
So,
forgive
yeah.
Boma.
I don't forgive him. I don't know how to hold malice.
Okay.
So even if I not too like you, I go find my way around them. But the thing we say, I feel like say because say you don't forgive somebody, no mean say the person gets access to you.
All right.
So I don't forgive him all, but we know they talk, and I no want to talk to him. I know
Why
beef.
you don't want to talk to her?
Because like it gets some insults where people go tell you, know, say now waiting they.
But you don't forgive now.
Yeah, I don't forgive, but I don't want like forgiving somebody. No mean say then guys get access to you.
Okay.
It's just better for both parties to be where they are because no be our first fight be that, and no be the first time you don't do something like that.
Okay.
So for me, I don't really say maybe now waiting if you for me personally. So no need for me to come they try to the establish relationship where fits dey chaotic again.
All
So
right.
it just they best make we
Wow.
go our separate ways. Yeah.
A lot. Emmanuel, I go come to you. Make I talk about your relationship or your closeness with Lico Rose. And people see you on a very reserved side.
Relationship. If we talk about another thing, maybe with relationship. But no one, maybe the
No, I want to talk about something else actually, but I just need to touch am little. I don't really want to make you explain anything about that, but I believe you go don't explain so much. I want to talk about you as a person, whether you show yourself, you really showcase the real person where you be. Emmanuel, on a good day, you feel like say you've been create other relationship or bonds with other housemates within in the house, because most of the time we see you with Lico Rose too.
Well, the kind of person where I be.
Yes.
Any situation where I find myself, I dey try to understand that kind of situation, that kind of space. I go day laid back, I go chan people who I won't relate with. Because I don't like issue, I don't like wahala. Even
Okay.
if for the house, I don't try avoid some kind of necessary drama. I not be that kind of person, no, my lifestyle be that.
Yes.
So, what you call be say, I just they open up small. Yeah. Different stages there to how if you understand person.
Yes.
And with that house, the kind of setting, it gets stages to where you can understand person too. So now so it be there for me. And honestly, the whole experience can't make me realize say even if you enter any way you did,
Yes.
just be yourself.
Okay.
As far as you want to achieve something, just put your mind to it to go achieve them. And
that alone, are they excited to say I don't feel motivate some kind of people? You go feel say, are they like this, are they like that? This one will happen for me. But no, I don't make that point now. I don't make that fact now.
It gets something where you be know before, you be know they do before, where Big Brother house don't make you they in that position where you go feed do them now.
Well, yeah. So they take on challenges and tasks, yeah. Because sometimes I doubt myself.
Yes, because that final task, you've been see you putting so much energy.
Was it wow?
No, the last one will make you win, will make you cross over to the final.
Ultimate veto power.
Yes, we've been see your energy for that particular one. But make we go on this break. When we come back, Lagos, we go talk about moving forward, the plans where they get and every other thing. And then I go open the phone lines for you to say hello, and then we'll call them a day on top your Chukma station. No touch your diet, the finalists today in the building. Hey. station, and we still get our BB finalists in the building. Cross the bus, Mr. Africa Emmanuel, Mazi himself, Rudy, Liquor Rose. I'm so sorry, Ude, the general himself, Perry, and of course, baby girl Angel. Okay, the hot girl thing. Okay, Lega, so welcome back. So we'll go talk moving forward. A lot of things. The word don't they look on now, and of course they expect to get plenty things where they around. Waiting you get showcase, waiting be that thing where you don't bring out time to make money, to make the whole partnership thing now. You don't start. Lico Rose, I go start from you, baby girl. And I don't want to talk about the house is the house. The house don't go. Make we talk moving forward now.
Yep.
Since you don't show out now, I hope say they don't show you some new dance steps. They don't. Girls don't brief you.
Yes, they show me two.
Which one they show you?
They show me one dance step, and they show me one down a couple of moves.
Yes.
Thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I just say go viral.
Yes.
So
and they are not see this thing. Okay. Yes. I know. Say you go. Don't worry. Will they come?
Which one be not see?
Which one be not?
The whiskey and
right.
How do you do it?
They go tell you.
Oh, this one. I learned them. I see their house. Saga teach me from that demarcation that day.
From that day when they outside.
Yeah, so they do them together. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So moving forward now, baby girl, make I talk about your plans, things where you get to unleash for us to get to know better and see better. Tell me what's in the plan moving forward.
20 things there to unleash music, unleash movie, unleash book. Cause I did write. You understand?
You do write.
I did write though. I did write poem. I did write songs.
I think I only enjoy the right.
I write that stroke for the house. So
Yeah,
they write now. You
Awesome.
see the movie we'll do for first week.
Awesome.
You see poems. Now when this one head they do when it comes to poems and say, oh, mommy and not go write too much for that poem. So I do.
All right.
So I write and my salon. I want to be my salon. I be get salon before I lost.
Perfect. So now talking about salon, because you really showcase, you really show yourself inside the house and all that. You been get this thing before the house, or the house really bring them out.
I started to make my late grandma hair when I think I did like 5 or 6. Okay. I not learn them. I just sabi, and again one time I be say I never get dance job they come for me, and I use them to survive. I mean, they still want my friend like that, and girls money for that house. So I use that in survive for like 6 months. Wow. They make their hair, they do their makeup. I do professional makeup too. They also plenty. I don't be stylist before. I see when you dress,
Angel talk the part that never rhyme. You the rhyme out for them.
Yeah, and I enjoy. I do professional makeup. Yes. I be stylist.
Because what you know they do?
I know they kill human beings. I think kill them for some kind of places, but no, we say take their life.
I love that. Yeah. So moving forward, get to see all these things now. I love it, Emmanuel. I know about the modeling kind of thing and all that, but tell us more other things where we don't know about.
I believe say most people know, but in case they don't know, I get fitness center, that is Body Lab, and I also get unisex salon and spa called Hair Lab. Both of them they Port Harcourt at this point, but I mean with this platform what I get now, I go feed they expand, they explore, then they build the platform, they build the brand, go other places for Nigeria and also across Africa as well. And of course, I did into real estate too. Okay. I mean, not they invest in real estate, but down in the south. But of course, with this platform, I go feed the expand them.
I want to hear fashion.
Yeah, if you talk about modeling, yeah. So modeling and lifestyle for me, that one they go anywhere. Okay. Definitely, we could work with brands. They work with fashion designers. They work with they get the deals what I need get as regards modeling and fashion as a lifestyle. Then my charity program still there where I don't run before I entered the house. All right. So with platform where I get now go feed they reach out to more people, more giving back to society because everything I there about. So basically me I be the kind of person they take every opportunity will come. As far as benefits the inside, I don't grab them. So better days ahead basically. Because they push they go.
You and Liquor Rose on a plan the color one I wear today.
You know plan I never see
now the love, now the spirit now lead.
What of cross?
I don't know whether cross there for inside.
Cross you like the triangle. Na finalist spirit.
Na triangle.
Finalist spirit.
Triangle. Liquor Rose na the top.
I don't know about that.
Right. No worry, we go balance.
So Cross, as you mentioned triangle. Now I remember one movie. I know so I never see the movie.
Okay.
I remember they call on Squid Game. Maybe when I go get opportunity to see him.
No, Emmanuel die. He go die times 2.
Nobody die. Squid Game, but try find me there around.
Okay, no wahala.
So moving forward, Cross, we could get to hear from you.
From me, honestly, my gorgeous. What I go like do be say, I won't make the whole world know my story, as I said earlier for the other radio stations, right? I want make the world know my story, and I want them to understand why it is very, very necessary not to give up in life, no matter where and what you've been through, especially.
You might not live crossing.
Especially the situation where happened between my family and my mama. So when the world has known that, I would like to make that into a TV show or into a series, into a movie or a TV show. Anyone we do pass. Then personally, you already know I'm a very, very fun person, and I would like to take the crossover night into different cities across the world. Asia, Europe, Africa, Dubai, or wherever I can go. And my fitness brand, Cross Proteins, I would like to do more of that, push people out there to understand that fitness is key. Also cover the whole health section. So the whole health thing, I'll be more about it, because me, I don't really eat some certain things, but because of that, I also go further about that as well. Then my Gem House restaurant in Abuja.
Restaurant.
Yeah, we have a Gem House restaurant, me and my partner. So I like to push that more, hopefully get more branches out there in different states and cities as well. So pretty much real estate, I just want to have a good time, navigating myself through life. I know a lot of people might have.
So you not go open any place for party?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So the party now, the clubbing and the partying is something that eventually I will get there. But I want to have a night and an event of myself in every city, in every country.
Awesome.
Do you understand? And also the music thing, I'm not a good singer. These guys know it, but I know I can hype. So once I have,
so you plan to collaborate with somebody? Because plenty of
Ajebota 22. I've already done something with him, which earlier this year, but it's not out yet. Angel didn't believe me in the house. She said I didn't do shit, but now she can believe that I did it. So hopefully it comes out. So just do me in general and work with any brand that wants to work with me at the end of the day.
All right, Mazi, you get I don't know how to describe, but you don't. I'm so sorry, White Money.
Yes.
Okay, so moving forward, make you know waiting be the plans, waiting be other things where you get.
I'm business inclined, and I want to do. I want to do entertainment to the fullest, my best way. Anything will involve camera, count me in. And I'm a businessman. Finance, they sell shit. Basically, na business I want to focus on. Then, before the end of the year, I go drop one single. I go feature Duncan Mighty and a Mastercraft go producer, and by the grace of God.
Wow.
Yeah, I never reach out to them. I just try to alert them.
Where did they hear? Call their name. Who again? Who are
Master, and the legendary Duncan Mighty.
And they hear now?
Yes. Who they?
All right. And the plans for. I want to ask you directly. You plan to give anything to the housemates?
I plan to. Everybody will be say I promise something, material things, not money. Yes, definitely. I give them even day, but me, I never even touch my phone. I know if you touch phone, I know if you, I'm not be myself, but definitely.
You don't know, so you don't blow.
The thing still they don't know me. Like most people, and this one, I might just this opportunity to tell people, say I beg. I just calm down small. I go reach out. I know if you touch phone, nothing. I never even watch videos of anything. I just hear stops. But I know if you made this media rounds finish and here I'll come settle down, begin do the things they need for. But definitely we move.
All right, the general. No be smart thing. I know you like that name, right? Fits.
It fits.
Yes.
It fits.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I could talk about. I know a whole lot of things, but then I want to talk about moving forward. Waiting, I don't see you for one or two movies, huh? They show me, yes. So moving forward now.
Well, of course, moving forward, Nollywood all the way. Nollywood have been there before. Go Yankee, come back. Nollywood not the passion.
You don't come back fully now.
I'm not gonna say fully.
But Mazi be one come visit you for there.
For Yankee.
Yes, now.
Boys, they plan movement now.
Okay.
They plan to enter that.
Mazi don't hit. You don't do it like this. But you there here for now. They do.
Yeah, they do all these things.
All right.
So. Acting, and definitely now I want to resurrect my musical career because
musical career, huh?
Yeah, I want. Yes, absolutely.
Who you get for mine to feature?
Tiwa Savage.
Ah, Oshe.
Z.
Oshe.
Oh, Cross Boy, the Galen. And then, of course, all those ones, the movies and music. But then, make I even use the opportunity to talk about my movie when they come out. 2 movies, actually.
They come out already.
They come out for cinema this October on the 15th.
Okay.
The first one, April Showers.
Okay.
And then the second one, Charge and Bail.
Okay.
Then they come out the same
This
day
October.
for cinema. This October, on the 15th of October.
All right.
So make everybody win be patriots. Everybody win no be patriots. Everybody win like Big Brother generally. Make them enter. Go watch them.
All right. And you don't talk to your girlfriend, right?
Of course, of course.
Okay.
Definitely.
So where do people go follow you on social media platform?
You say what?
Where they go follow you for social media?
Oh, social media platform Pere Egby Official.
Okay.
On Instagram, and then Pere Egby Official on Twitter.
All right. And your... Yes, I know say you did busy since.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we don't talk about things where you want to do and all that, but let the people also know how be the best way where they go reach out to you to follow you work major things.
Okay, I get if wanna go check my Instagram and if wanna check my Twitter, wanna go say person done already set. So now to just go the email, click the email, and my Instagram DMs and my Twitter DMs also they open, so my handlers go fit direct you to where you supposed go. But the best thing for you, for people would make them do be say make them check the email. But if they need contact number, then fit DM and we go work.
You from this set of Big Brother, you get any bestie?
Yeah, na Cross be my best
Cross
friend
be your
now.
best.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. I just want to make you talk. I'm not saying no. I love shipping. Okay, Cross. Where do people go follow you, Cross? We need to wrap up now. Where they go follow you, social media platform, Cross?
Yes, follow me in my social media.
Yes.
Yes, that's it.
Cross.
Okay, Cross. Give me a second, Biko.
Cross. Is there a party there?
You know your hand.
Cross the boss or something.
On Twitter,
Yes.
you can follow me Cross Ike.
Okay.
On Twitter.
Okay.
And on Instagram, Cross Ike. Yeah, Cross the Boss on Ike.
Yes.
And on Instagram, it's Cross the Boss.
All right. Yeah. Emmanuel, where?
On Instagram,
yes,
Facebook, Twitter, Emmanuel Umo Jr.
Okay. And Liquor Rose?
On Instagram, Liquor Rose. On Twitter, Liquor Rose _. On TikTok, Liquor Rose _. On Facebook, Liquor Rose.
All right. I go take like 3 calls. 3 calls. Now waiting, I go take. I go wrap up 0700 954 954 951. You just they calling to say hello to your Big Brother finalist. Hello, who did the phone line? I they go fast. Who you they say hello to? Fire down.
Big white money, Maz, I greet you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sir, Nicholas.
Have fun, how you do?
I just mention the name of your.
Good afternoon. White money all the way.
Thank you. Hello.
White money, good day.
Hello. Off that radio. Hello.
Call my God, I hear you.
Hey, Wagwan, why you say?
Hello. Sorry, my love.
Have fun.
Hello. So now no go finish me today. Hello, last caller. Hello. You're shouting. Okay, I heard Liquor Rose. Hello.
Have fun.
White money.
All right, and also on our social media platform, so much names, people they help, people where they help, but now I don't get so much time to carry on social media platform. Go catch the recap on YouTube and on Facebook. We love you plenty. Thank you for joining on Instagram Live. Thank you for every single person. Angel, thank you for coming, darling. And of course to the general himself, thank you for showing up here. We love you, and your movie they come out October. Hopefully October 15th. Hopefully the patrons, they will show you love. Definitely they're all over. Mazi, thank you so much, White Money, for coming.
Thank you very much.
Cross the bus, we love you.
Thank you, I love you too, baby.
Continue the all your vibe, we love it. Emmanuel, thank you for coming, darling.
Thank you so much. One love.
And of course, baby girl, Luca Rose.
Thank you. Have fun.
And enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. We
Yes,
love you.
oh.
Lagos, thank you for joining us. We take that break. You go see the rest on social media platform. We love you. Signing out, Churches Smith on top.